Hey guys, it's Rich or Xlavic, whatever you want to call me, and whoa, laggy. Today on Tropicraft, I'm going to go exploring a bit of house decoration. So I'm gonna use these things. I'm gonna try and get some more turtles and stuff. Still got our fish. I think we might need another one just to stand out, but for now, I'm gonna put one there, and then one there, and then that there. Oh no, this one goes diagonal, doesn't it? Like a retard. Like, oh my god, what the hell? No. Where can I put this? I could put it there, because it could just go like that, but obviously Tropicraft's being stupid and not letting me, so this one's a bit awkward to use, so I'm going to put that back. Pull this random crap back. I could plant that sugarcane, put that back. Okay, we're ready to start adventuring. Oh, we need a map. Oh, wait, we need redstone. Oh. You know what, guys, I really can't be bothered. I'm just so tired. I'm just gonna get a map from my too many items. I know you guys are gonna shout, but I just really can't be pissed. Is that marlin? How do I make flip? I want to make a flipper. I don't know how. I can get all these asks. Where is the... What's it look? A map. There. Alright. Sorry guys, but had to be done. I'm gonna put these here. Oh, alright. Let's see. So where am I? Where am I on the map? What? I can't not see myself. That's very weird. Where am I? I don't even know where my house is. Well, I guess it's those brown things, but there's 3 of them. I have no idea. I don't even know where I am. Okay, we're not going to go venturing very far. We're just going to go in this direction. Therefore, when I come back, I can just head straight there. The easiest way. Rather than just, like, getting lost on the map. There should be an arrow. I'm confused, there's no arrow. Oh my god, you scared me! You dick. Oh. Oh, hero, oh, hero. Oh, hero in mid again. I want to try to find an ashen tree so I can get some more masks to decorate. Trying to get these guys, whatever they do. Hopefully they do it at typing packets. Owned. 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 Her. I owned them. Look fast. I am just too good for them. Too good for those. What is up with this tree over here? You're having a bit of... This will be good for shade. Oh, 1 sec, I'll be back in a minute. Hi guys, I'm back. I just had to do something. I'm actually gonna cheat because I'm a little dick. Set it to the sunrise. Oh, hello, Lucia Lolly. Oh, should I go? May as well just dig through there. I'll just go in there. Whatevs. I do need a new pick, but besides that, I'm good on tools. Bit of grave explorings. Oh, actually leads out to the other side. That's good. That's very, very good. Alright, so that's my way out. So I'm gonna just mark this off. There. There. Oh boy! I'm gonna jump onto the puddle. The puddle? Yeah, the puddle. It's way, way, way big. Shit! No, I got there. Let's see what we can find on this journey of adventures. I want to find a chest, so I go over here. Where there's sand. Oh yeah, you dropped the scale. Oh, you dropped the scale. Am I playing on oh my. It's cause I was on my flatland and I was just building a moat for the stupid freaking slimes. And then they were just getting really annoying, so I turned them off. Oh, damn it. Gone off track. I think it were this way. The map's broken. Map's still broken. Sometimes you can find little ashen guys just like running around. Hello, Mr. Spider. Ah! 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 Oh! 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 Oh, how nice. Oh, how nice. That is the awesome. I need you for your shell. Dun 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 dun. I'm nowhere near. It's so majestic. I just can't do it, man. I just can't do it. Dun 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 dun. You better give me a turtle shell. Good boy. Oh, one sec. Right, sorry. Guys. Jesus, holy mother of balls. I'm gonna kill you. Bones galore. They're gangbanging. Shut up, poor bags. I'm actually gonna dig here. Just for some Udiclade. I need Udiclade. Ah, I can't be bothered. Oh, there's really nothing. Oh yes, you declared. You declared war. It's good because you get loads for it. Oh, sweet. Holy poo balls. This is deep. I don't even have like enough blocks. Hello? Hello? Becky, go away. Ugh. Oh, what? Sister. That was like... I was getting excited for nothing, man. That was very nice, man. I'm gonna find my way out in the next episode, so I'll see you guys later.